Hi, so the first thing that you want to do is make a copy. So you're going to go to File and make a copy. There, that way you have the original in your files as well as what you were going to change and alter, just in case for any reason. Maybe you make a mistake and you've gone too far that you can't undo, or you just want to have the original for whatever reason. I just always suggest that you make a copy. So I'm clicking on photos here, and let's choose a topic. Let me think, or I should say a theme. We can do fashion. That always works. Okay, so let's click on fashion show. All right, so as you can see, there's a photo here. What I'm going to do in order to replace it is to drag and drop. Well, drag and hover, technically. Let's try this one here. There we go. That works. So as you can see, the text is a little bit faded out. I think I'm going to try some whites. So I'm going to click on this here to change the color. And so I have the option to change all of that beige color text to white, but I'm actually going to leave it the way that it is and only change the Q&A right here to white. So just letting you know, if you were to click it, it will change everything. As you can see, well, you probably didn't see before, but this was the brown color. It is now white. If I want to undo it, as you can see, the original color has come back. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of that. Now, if I want to change the background color, click on it and click this background color box here. And I'm going to go to photo colors. That way I can choose something that's in here. So I'm going to go with, ooh, maybe not. I'm going to go with that one instead. Or maybe a darker. There we go. I think we can go with that one there. And then as you'll see, these are different shapes that are put together. So I'm actually only going to change the outline color, and I'm going to change that too. Let's see what other colors are there. Maybe I'll change it to, did I already use this color? Let me change it to the black, and I'm going to change all of them to black so that I don't have to do it one by one. So as you can see, it changed all of the colors to, or all of the outline colors as well as the plus and minus signs. So that saves us a whole bunch of time. I can also change the text. Change that to black, and I'm going to do that for all. As you can see, because that this up here was originally white, it changed that to black as well. But since it's just one, I can go back and change that. And so keep in mind, actually I'm going to undo this because I'm realizing that it's going to change all of the templates, including the second set of the carousel kit. So I'm going to undo this for now and go and check the other set. As you can see, it already changed color. So I'm not going to change all the white to black, or else we'll completely lose all of this. Let me actually undo. There we go. So actually, I'll come back and change this later. But this is also another reason to make a copy, because especially with the carousel kit, you have either 2 or 3 or 4 different sets of carousels in your pack. So what you can do is make a copy and then go in, and let me show you, you can actually delete one set and separate them all together. That way you are not affecting each, you're not affecting the branding of each kit. So let me try to click on this again and see if it'll show up. So as you can see in this particular set, there are 2 sets. So what we can do right now is I'm going to make another copy. I'm going to make another copy of this. And it'll say copy of copy of. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase the first half. So you can select all of these right here and then delete. That way you're only working with one carousel set. And then here in your other copy, we can go ahead and delete the second half. That way we have them all separated, because after all, you're not going to upload them all at the same time. So we've selected. For some reason, the trash icon is not showing up. So I'm just going to delete them one by one. This could all probably be due to my internet connection right now. I apologize. Okay, so now I can go back in and make my edits without being worried about it affecting the branding of the other carousels. So once again, I'm going to change this to the black color. And I'm going to change all because that is easier. Oh, see, this here I had changed to black as well. Okay, well, we're going to have to try that with a different box because I've clearly messed up my chance here to change them all at once, but that's okay. I have another opportunity here. So there we go. I'm changing it all at once, and then I'm going to go back and change this to the white. If I want to change my font, I'm going to click here and either type in a specific font or click and scroll through the different fonts that Canva has. They have so many. If I want to change my font size and align the text, have effects, so on and so forth, I'll do that up there. I'm going to change the box color to white, and I'm going to change them all. Why are you doing that? There we go. Perfect. So, I know before I hesitated to change this to white, but I will actually do that now. So, it's probably not as evident now, but it has changed to white, and I can play around with the transparency and actually make it less transparent so that I can see more of the white, but I won't. So I'm actually going to undo because I don't remember what number it was on originally. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to change it to white as well. I'm going to change all of them to white so I can select and type in a business name, whatever you'd like. I can go ahead and do that, but you'd have to do that on each page, just letting you know. If you wanted to extend this or shorten it, you would click ungroup and then reselect it, and that's where you can make it shorter or longer based on the text that you are inserting. And then we could swap this photo here. And there you have it. So that's one set. Now with the second set that we put into a separate design, I'm gonna make that bigger, and let's go to photos. Let's do some more fashion. I'm gonna type in fashion runway and just gonna put a runway, I guess. Oh no, that doesn't work. I should have known that wasn't gonna work. That's better. I'm gonna change the background color. Probably gonna change it to black. There we go. I like the color here, so I'm not gonna change that. Oh, I must have forgotten to click change all, but that's okay. I have another opportunity here. Change all. There we go. And now I want these boxes here to definitely be a gray color. Actually, like this color here. So I'm going to change all. And then I'm going to change this to a black, which black was above. I don't know why I didn't just click that. All right. Something is clearly going on either with my internet or with Canva. Okay, so I changed all. Now I'm gonna do the header as well. Change all, there we go. So to change the text, once again, you click and select and then type in whatever you like to type in. Don't forget to change your page numbers if you need to, if you rearrange the order or just use a couple of them at a time. But as you can see, everything translated. This up here is green, not, Lord help me. This up here is gray, I apologize, and the text is black. So we've done all that, made those changes, and all I have to do is change this last photo here. And I'm just going to drag and drop. So there you go. We've changed this here easily. I'm going to show you that as well as this. And then let's take a look at the, ooh, I just closed it up. Whoops. Let me get that back. All right, so we're going to see all of the originals. As you can see, the first half and what we changed it to. There you go. And then let's go back and see the second half here. And then this is what we changed it to. And it was just that easy. Now, if you need to download, you need to click download. It's already at PNG. You could change it to JPEG as well and then download. And there you have it. It's all done.